Hello students, our topic is construct the FA that accept all the strings of A's and B's where everything should start from the AB. Everything should start from the AB. So look all of you here, alphabet will be what? A comma B only. Yes or no? Alphabet will be A comma B. They mention strings of A's and B's, right? Now as we know, sigma star would be what? Epsilon A comma B comma A or BB or AB BA, we will get like this, correct? Now what they said, so accept all the strings of A's and B's and every string W should start with what? AB. After that you can have a like X nothing but what? X equal to either A or B, either A or B can come. So all of you, we must learn the way of construction of FA. So first you give a transition for A comma B sequence, then you think about X. So simply I'm making Q naught as an initial state. So Q naught initial state, Q naught on A, Q1, Q naught on A, Q1. Then sequence next what we have? B, Q1 on B, Q2. So start with AB nothing but if alone AB also comes, that must accept. That is the reason Q2 you should make it the final. So I'm taking language of FA will be what? Minimum is AB, ABA can come, ABB can come, ABBBBAA can come. So what is the minimum is AB. That is the reason AB given. After that either A comes or B comes or any number of A's and B's come. Simply this must accept here. So this is a transition. This is transitions for AB and AAB. Now whether it is complete FA or DFA means whether it is DFA or not means DFA is a complete system. Suppose if the strings W start with a BA, what happened? We don't have a strings of in this language. They said only start with AB. BA is not there. This string must be reject. So now Q naught on B comes. I have to Q naught on B comes. I have to make it like a Q3. So then after that any number of A's and B's come. This must be rejected. Now look this. Suppose W equal to AAB comes. Does it start with AB? Does it started with AB here? No. So initially 2A should not come. If 2A's come, that must be rejected. So I am rejecting here for A. Correct. So now B, yes, it is rejecting. AB, yes, it go and accept. After AB, anything will come that must be accepted. But before that, A or BB should not come. Correct. BA should not come. That all must be rejected. Now you check whether it is complete system or not. When to say FA is complete means it is complete. So at each and every state there must be exactly one transition for input symbol. How many symbols are there? Two symbols are there. For these two symbols, do we have a transition at each and every state or not? Yes. Q0 on A, Q0 on B, Q1 on A, Q1 on B, Q2 on A comma B. Yes, definitely this is what complete system. And also accepting all the string which are started with AB, it is rejecting for remaining things. Are you getting my point? So you can check W equal to ABA is there. Should accept or reject? This should be accept. So look this, Q0 on A, Q0 on A, so Q1, Q1 on B, Q2. So Q2 on A, Q2 only. So Q2 is a final state or not? So that you understand the string is accepted. The string is accepted. I hope you are getting ma. All of you do copy clearly, and also any new points you observed during this session. So you can copy, note down all the important points. Yes, thank you.